I love you, Fuzzy.
What up, y'all? We're back with another video. Today is an overview of all the modifications that have been done to the 4Runner since the last video. The wheels took a little bit longer than expected. That's why the video is posted now than as opposed to Monday that I wanted to post it on because of the whole Vlogmas thing. But you know, we overcome. The wheels are here, they're on. Had them on for 2 days now. So yeah, let's get an overview. In addition to the wheels, I just got this, my gimbal came in. So hopefully we have a little bit more steady of a shot. So bear with me, I'm learning how to use the gimbal correctly, but here are the wheels, y'all.
I love you, Fuzzy.
I got everything off trailbuilt.com. I don't know necessarily if they had the best deal, it's just what I went with at the time, and it was, they had what I needed and they showed examples, so I went with that. They are the 96961 model in a 17 by 8.5 and with a -10 offset, and then they're wrapped around 265 70 17 Wild Peak AT3s. Those are the same wheels I had on my Tacoma, and they're super quiet and they look very, you know, they look rugged enough for being an all-terrain wheel. Always fabrication needed, man. Never easy. So we got the finished product. That's how it looks like. Daylight, windows up, limo tint on the rear. How I had to mount this was, so the 4th gen does have a 12-volt back here, so it's run off this and a remote switch that you guys saw in the previous clip. I stuffed all the wiring here. I'm going to eventually notch this door so I can obviously put the door back and the wire fits. So we did that. The way it's mounted up here, let me turn this off. This is an earth magnet that has a thread in it. It was off Amazon, I'll put it in the link. This is a supplied bracket that comes with this. I need to take off this one, which I'll eventually do. I'll do right now. But 2 earth magnets, I did have to cut them to size or in half, really, at least 3/4 to make them fit underneath here. Make it fit within that bracket. Like I said, I'm gonna take this off. Yes, the headliner does droop slightly to fit obviously the magnet in there, but it doesn't bother me, and it beats having to weld or drill something into the roof line. As far as driving, it's not in the way. I had it previously mounted here in another getaway that I won't explain, but it's not really in the way. It doesn't bother me. Plus it looks super cool, so yeah, that's what they with it up. And I'll also link this on in the description as well. It is a remote remotely controlled 12 volt powered chase light. It was like 60 bucks. The magnets were, I think, another 15, 20, maybe less. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So, if you liked the video, like the video, comment, subscribe, do you guys think? But we're done here.